Best crypto trading technique that will be 100% profitable in 2022. Go to Binance.com, then go to Futures Trading. Here you need to scroll down and you can see hot crypto coins which are getting pumped in the last 24 hour. You need to select that coin which is 10% or more up in the last 24 hour. Now simply open short position in that coin with 2 to 3% leverage and take the profit when coin is 1 to 2% down. Don't be greedy and just take 1 to 2% profit and close the trade. That's it. Now you can easily earn money from crypto trading.